สวัสดีค่ะ Hi everyone. Today I'm making it called Suki Stir Fry. It's a stir fry with the sauce that I had made it for Napa cabbage roll. But today we're going to make the stir fry using the same sauce. So I'll refer how to make this sauce here to the video number 35, which I'm making Napa cabbage roll, so that we're using the same sauce, but we just make different version of it. And the vegetable, we still use the similar vegetable, which is Napa cabbage and some green onion. And normally they will use Chinese celery, but since I cannot find it, I'm using the regular celery with the tops and some of the stem, and mushroom and the baby corn. Like I had mentioned, if you cannot get the fresh baby corn, you can also use it from the can. And we use the bean vermicelli, which is, since it's made from beans, so it's pretty light, it's low carb. So we're gonna make this dish pretty light, but guarantee the flavor. And for the protein, we'll use chicken, which I already had marinated, and some garlic and the sauce, and that's pretty much the ingredient. So let's start cooking. Here is all the vegetables. Soak the dry vermicelli in the water for 7 to 10 minutes and then cut it into 3 inches long. Cut chicken breast into bite size and marinate with oyster sauce and soy sauce. Cutting all vegetables into bite size. Add cooking oil on the medium heat pan and follow with minced garlic. Cook until you can smell the aroma of the garlic. Then add chickens into the pan. Spread it out well for the evenly cook and get caramelized. Add the vegetables that need longer time for cooking first. When they get a little softened, add the bean noodles and water to help cook the noodle. When the noodle is cooked and turned clear, add the rest of the vegetables. When the second round of the vegetable gets wilted, but try not to get overcooked, add additional cooking oil on the pan and add an egg into the pan. Until the egg is cooked. Then add the sauce into the pan. Mix the sauce and all the ingredients well. Continue to cook until the noodle absorbs all the sauce. Then turn off the stove. Topping the plate with roasted sesame seed. Add the dipping sauce on the side. It looks so good. Smell even better. I wish I can video the smell for you. All the colorful vegetables and all the juicy and tender chicken and the soft of the vermicelli noodle all around together will be loaded with texture and flavor. And we also gonna give extra dipping sauce to go with it. I can't wait to eat this. I hope you give this menu a try and enjoy the video today. I'll see you for the next one.